used to talk to and exchange photos with others.
Faux what?
Okay, forget it. You'll need this to listen to music. Here you go.
But my ears can hear without these.
It's so hard with you.
Sammy, cavemen can't understand your 21st century devices.
Okay, we can just throw stones then.
Mellow out, Sammy.
Meh.
I know more exciting things to do. Let's add some cave vibes to modern activities.
Holy cannoli! Let's do it!
Hi, guys. Today, we're gonna go camping together.
Susan, I thought we'll really go outside.
Sorry, Sam. It's indoor camping. Close your eyes. Our friends from Cave Club are here, too.
Okay, I'm staying. Where should I unpack? Where's the tent?
That's exactly what we're going to make first.
Rafting in the woods? It's a brand new format. Did you get it? Hardly.
We're going to make a teepee tent, guys. It'll be just right for our Cave Club friends. Now we need scissors. Be very careful, guys. We'll cut the circle out.
Teepees are awesome. It's warm inside in the winter and cool in the summer.
Here we go. The base for the teepee is ready. All right.
Sue, won't it soak through during the first rain?
You're right. That's why I made another piece from fleece.
Girls, I checked it. No one's gonna get cold. Oh, Sue, you've already set up the sewing machine. You're so quick today.
Yup, everything's here. Let's make a little fabric cake. It will have 2 layers, cotton fabric and fleece.
And now we're gonna sew them together.
Be careful, guys. This needle works really fast. Use it only under adult supervision.
Don't you worry. It's just a sewing machine. Not a monster.
Check out what we've got. Not so scary, huh?
And here are some sticks, Sue, to make a real camp.
Now you see, you can play camping at home too. Check out these sticks. We need to put them together using a rubber band. This way.
Have you seen Fernessa? I can't find her anywhere. Oh, there she is. Move over, Fernessa. Our viewers want to see it too. Wow!
Guys, now it's time to apply some glue to the framework. Carefully, like this.
It still doesn't look like a warm and comfy place.
Because we haven't finished yet. Just wait a bit.
Then I'll go craft a teepee for myself. Fine, take it. I'll find another one.
Sorry, but your teepee can wait. This piece will be for the walls. We'll glue it to the framework, like this, and make folds on both sides of the entrance. There we go.
So, let's throw a welcoming party.
Cool idea, Sammy. We'll dance all night long.
And if it's cold, I'll warm everyone with this.
I have a better idea.
Someone has already occupied the teepee.
I knew I heard some snoring from there. Great! Now we can make a campfire for our indoor party. What do you say?
A fire inside the house? Not safe, Susan. Don't worry, ladies. I'll save you.
I'm sure you'll love this. Besides, we'll use fabric for it, not matches.
All right, then. This cardboard circle makes a perfect base. Fetch, Sue.
Okay, Sammy. Give it to…
Oopsie. Time to cut and run.
Well, Sammy, in the prehistoric era, you definitely hunt your prey down.
Or I could be a great woodcutter. Girls, do you know what that is?
They're just kidding. I want to make these branches brighter. Let's give them this rich, unusual color.
Shiver me chatters! It's gonna be a magic fire! This must be the most beautiful campfire in the cave world!
Don't worry, guys. We used non-toxic paint, so this fire is pretty safe. We squished the fabric to put it in between the logs.
Awesome, Sue! And I got an idea! Marshmallows! What a yummy light!
Sammy, our cave club made these colorful stones for us. Check this out. They're perfect for decoration.
Guys, why are you still here? Come closer to the fire!
Seems like someone wants to sleep. Let's make sleeping bags. We've got the same fabrics, fleece and cotton. We'll sew them together. You already know how to do it, guys. And voila! Here's the result. Let me show you closer. Stitches should be this neat. Now let's turn the fabric inside out.
Ah, and I was wondering why you needed that hole. Got it!
Now we need to fold it in half, this way.
And sew it all again! Let me see it! Inside out again? Soon my head is blowing up!
Don't panic! We're going to roll it up. And secure it with 2 elastic bands on both sides. This way.
Sue, how much longer? We really need that sleeping bag!
There you go, girls. Now you can sleep well.
Sue, hurry up! Winter is coming and we have to be prepared!
Sammy, it takes days, not seconds for winter to come.
But we have to help our cavemen make clothes for the cold season!
You're right, but let's adapt them to the prehistoric fashion. We'll start with boots and then make a winter cloak. Let's draw an outline of the doll's foot.
What about cave slimes? They want to follow fashion trends too!
Got it! They'll also be well dressed. Now let's cut out the soles.
Slate, what boots would you like? Long ones or short, huh?
I vote for the long ones to walk through snowdrifts. Let's cover the leg with fake fur, like this.
Wow, Sue, it looks so fluffy and cozy! I have no doubt Slate won't fear any cold with these!
Note that we've secured the ends with some glue.
And don't forget about soles! These are too small for me anyway.
These go right here.
Sue, it defo needs a fur stylist! I'm sure prehistoric slimes were good at this. Alright, there we go! Awesome!
Guys, stay tuned. K-Fashion Show is coming soon. Guys, check out the shoes we've made.
They're so cool! Thumbs up if you like them too, guys!
Slate is also waiting for his second piece, a warm cloak. Let's glue on laces so it's easy to wear it.
Ugh, Sue, that was a tough T-Rex ride! By the way, be careful with the glue, guys!
Seems like our Tyrannosaurus wore you down, Sammy.
That's for sure. Oh, Sue, hurry up! Seasons are changing!
Right on time. Here you go, Slate. Enjoy your warm coat.
It's time to go hunting!
We'll tie these laces around his waist. This way, a real cave fashion look.
And now he's ready for the winter hunt! Here you go, buddy! Let's roll!
I have a piece of fake leather and a great idea of how we're gonna use it. Get ready to make some stitches carefully. We'll make a backpack for our cavemen.
Hurry up, because we already need one! Whoa, Sue! You're a true sewing master!
All stitches are hidden inside. Now we'll make holes for the lace. Guys, be very careful working with an awl.
Sue, when can we finally put our meat leg inside the pack?
Smells good. Just a few steps left. We'll pull the lace through and glue on a strap.
Ladies and dinosaurs, Arcade Fashion Show presents you Slate!
Check out the backpack. I colored it black. Well, shall we take a closer look at our model?
Sue, they all want to wear winter fashion too! Let's change the topic!
Maybe art?
Sue, are we gonna draw with those sticks?
No, we'll make an artboard. Since Cave Club doesn't have a camera, they'll draw each other.
Did you hear that? You'll have an artboard! It's so cool!
Could you bring me some fabric for the board?
I'm on it! Na 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 na. Will this do, Sue?
It's perfect! We'll attach the canvas to the stand. Be careful with the needle, guys. Actually, you better ask an adult to help you at this sharp stage.
Susan, shall we arrange an art festival then? We need good music too!
That would be great! Look, I hope our cavemen will like this artboard. Sammy, I have several ideas about a drum. I think this will do just fine. Let's carefully add some brown color and make a traditional drum.
My cave animals helped me find this piece of fabric for it!
The base is colored and dry. Now we need a fabric to cover the top.
I got it! Freshly painted!
It's amazing! Let's glue it on top. All right! Looks perfect to me.
Sue, I think you forgot something.
And that's it! Want to take a closer look at all the crafts we made today?
Day. Can we go back to our time?
Here's your phone.
Thanks, Sue! I'm finally back! Okay, anything new in the Instagram world?
I think our cave friends liked modern stuff too, Sammy.
Hey, careful! Don't crush my earphones!
Guys, our adventure is coming to an end. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our indoor camp. Bye-bye!